Finding staff isn't easy. That's why we have to look more and more to automation, simplified processes and streamlining machinery. We therefore focus on keeping new systems simple and easy to operate while maintaining product safety.
My name is Britt Steiner. I'm the plant manager at MTN Neubrandenburg GmbH. I've been with the company for more than 14 years. We have been producing chemodialysis concentrates at our site since 1984. Since 2020, we are part of the Nipro Medical Europe group. We currently produce 25 million liters of dialysis concentrate. We look 5 years ahead and we plan that production will increase while we have to fulfill requirements and keep pace with the growing market. Like all manufacturers, the economic aspect is important, but quality is a key factor in the production of medical devices. That is why we don't believe that the cheapest option is the best fit for us. Instead, quality plays a vital role. We have just chosen a Wipotec system that offers a complete package and has been tailored to our existing process.
My name is Martin Groß. I'm head of operations at MTN Neubrandenburg. I have been with the company since 2008 and I'm responsible for production, filling systems, labeling and packaging. We come from our operating system to a printing unit where the label is printed. Then comes the labeling unit. The Wipotec system then verifies the data from the other system. This means that our production staff have to perform several steps less every day. It is easy to operate. We don't have to deploy staff with a diploma to understand how it works. It is simple to use and offers 100% product control. In the past, around 65% of errors were due to labeling issues. Now I would say that 2% of errors in this line are related to the labeling unit. It was important to us that we wouldn't have to make many changes to the camera system, but that everything is controlled from the main system. And that is the case with the Wipotec system. The distance is always identical, whether we are printing large labels or small labels. And the system reacts when the barcode is not legible.
For me, this has created a great benefit. We assure that we fully comply with the medical device regulations. This has been a major step in the right direction for us. As we prepare for a completely new line structure, Wipotec provides the capability to integrate the system. In fact, this was our basic prerequisite when choosing a supplier for our needs.
We had the system designed so that we could exchange certain elements in a modular way. That means that we now have a smaller conveyor belt that simply transports the canister from A to B. We then plan to include a check weigher, so we can check the filling weight of 100% of all items, just like we do with the labeling, barcode and legibility.
And that's actually a crucial point. It's not just about thinking from one side's perspective, but about both sides contributing and working together to develop a new process.
Overall, I'm very satisfied because, for me, from a production perspective, it was important to understand which labeling system provider is a potential partner for future projects. How flexible are they in accommodating my ideas in the production process? What can be changed? How do they react to criticism? How helpful are people? And how many ideas does the company contribute that wishes to work with us? And I think there is a good chance that we'll also be able to implement the other labeling lines with Wipotec, even if the prerequisites are completely different than in the canister filling.
We had a good exchange with the company and it was a pleasant collaboration. Thank you for that.